Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Friday and the markets are mixed overnight with beans a little bit higher, corn and wheat a little bit lower. Feels like the bean market is still kind of struggling with the U.S. Eastern Midwest soybean meal supply situation, whether you blame it on logistics or not enough farmers selling or just too much demand. It's still basis levels on the meal still above delivery value, which supports the market. In corn and wheat, it looks like both markets are trying to find prices that might help U.S. export demand. Though those figures seem to be declining and below the pace to meet the USDA's export forecast, which could add to the carryouts. As far as U.S. weather is concerned, it's pretty cold outside and expect to see some off and on showers over the next 2 weeks, but starting next Tuesday, we see a pretty big cold shot down through the Midwest. This really shouldn't affect what's left to be harvested of the corn and bean crop, but it kind of reminds us that winter is just around the corner. As far as the main things that we'll be trading, number one, the USDA report on Monday. USDA is expected to raise the corn and bean crop. They could also raise a little bit the corn and wheat carryout and keep the bean carryout unchanged if they raise the demand equal amount in the beans. Globally, they could raise world corn, soybean, and wheat carryout. So it should be a little negative report. Then we'll kind of watch to see how much farmer selling there is, how much is in the pipeline here in the United States, what the demand for that pipeline is, and then look at South American crop conditions. Right now, we're seeing better weather in Brazil and Argentina. And yesterday, we saw the Brazil and Argentina farmer both a good seller of beans. So in general, I think the market feels eventually soybean prices are too high, and I think that they feel that corn and wheat might be in a trading range, maybe at the higher or at the midpoint of that range over the next few months. Again, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.